Welcome to non-verbal section for Pack 5. On the left of each question below is a big square with one small empty square. Find which of the 5 squares should replace the empty square. Going from left to right. That's the first step you need to decide, which is the direction. Small becomes big. Small becomes big. So we cross off. Circle inside, white to black, white to black. B is the answer. Can you see how quick that was? That was just 10 seconds. Next, let's go across. Look at the triangle. It spun around 45 degrees. So you do the same thing here. Look at the oval. You spin around 45 degrees. You can draw over it if you want. It's not that way. It's not that way. Yes, yes. Look at the lines. Outside, what happened to the lines? Inside. Outside, it will go inside the shape. Along the oval. No. Yes, no. D is the answer. Question 3. We go across. White, black, black, white dot. Look at that weird shape. They're being really mean. It's just such a weird, ugly looking shape. Here and then here. It kind of spun round like this. Look at that V shape. You're going to spin round like that. So that V shape should be in the top corner. When I did this first time round, that was really looking strange. We want that V shape in the top right corner. E is the answer. Question 4. Go across. The thing that stands out to me is the outside shape. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Square, square, square. It's got to be. Nope, nope. Now look inside the shape. What do we notice? Star, big star, square. Square, square, star, dun dun dun. It could be 3 each. That's what we get with these questions where there are 9 shapes inside. It could be 3 each. Square, square, square. Little star, little star, little star. Can you see 3 each? So we look at the big star. That will be big star, big star, big star inside. Nope. Yep. Nope. Question 5. Let's go across. Can you see the top row doesn't have everything? So maybe we look at the bottom row to help us. Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. Shield, shield, shield. So it's got to be a raindrop. Hey, we're so close to the answer. Now let's look inside. Can you see the shape? Look at the shape. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Circle, circle, circle. So it's got to be square inside. Nope. So it's either A or B. If you're not sure, you quickly put 1. Now, in my opinion, B looks a bit funny because they're both white. Here is the final feature. Look at the color change. That's what we haven't spoken about yet. Grey inside, grey outside. Look at here. Lined. Nope. White inside, white outside. Hash inside, hash outside. So the color is just moving to the next shape. If I draw the arrow like this, that will show it properly. Look at the line inside, then the line outside as well. A is the answer. Also, B looked a bit strange. I would not put B. A is the answer. Question 6. It just looks so weird, but we must look at a feature that's easy to look at. And my opinion are the 3 on top. 3, 1, 2. 2, 1, 3. 1, 2. Look at the numbers. It's just 3 of each. 3 numbers here. 1, 2, 3 all the time. So it's got to be 3. Yes, yes, no, no. How nice. 10 seconds that was. Easy. 10 seconds, and now we need to find the last feature, which was not easy. Look at the top row. Can you see where the lines are? White, white, grey. White, white, grey. White, white, grey. C is the answer. It hits the grey bit. That's a difficult feature to find. Question 7. We go across. Top row and middle row will help. Look at the lines. That stands out to me, definitely. Lines going this way, down and across. The lines are moving 45 degrees. They are spinning around. Look at this. Diagonal, across, diagonal, across, diagonal, down. The lines will go down, down. Yes, yes, no. How quick was that? 10 seconds again. And now, this feature may be a bit difficult to spot. Look at these two. Can you see what the difference is? This is the clue. Look at where the line shape is. That is the clue. That's behind the shapes. That's in front. Let me go different color. Look at this. Front, front, front. All of them on the front. That's the back. Front. D is the answer. Before we do question 8 and 9, I've just thought about something useful in terms of timing. This is a tough section. 6 minutes for 12 questions. I want you to think in blocks of 2. You look at 8 and 9. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Decide, are you able to do both in 1 minute? If the answer is yes, you should approach it. I think that's a nice way to handle these questions. Or else the student might be feeling a bit scared. How can I do 12 questions in 6 minutes? Difficult. But let's look at a block of 2. Let's proceed in that fashion here. 8 and 9. Let's try this. Yes. When I look at this, the thing that stands out to me are the dots. 4. 4, 3, 1. 1, 4, 3. 3, something, 4. It's got to have one dot. Color definitely stands out to me. Black, 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 white, 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 line, line, line. Got to go that way. Now it's either B or E. If you're not sure, you quickly put one and you move on. You've got lots of questions to do. That's what I say to my students. What is the difference between B and E? It's not the line with the dot, it is the shape. So you must count the shape, or else what's the point in there being different shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the sides for each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 6. There we go. There's our pattern. Every row is going to have a 4-sided, 5 and 6-sided shape. Look at the bottom row. 4 something 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me, here 6. So 6 is the answer. Done. Question 9. What stands out to me? Looks like they're kind of adding the shapes, but you know what really stands out are the lines down, across, and then together. Diagonal, diagonal, together. It's like they mashed them up like a hash shape. Here, and then, oh, it's like nothing. Oh, how nice. That's really nice. So really, there should be no pattern there. Chop them off. Now, what's the difference between this and that? Well, it's just the star looks a bit different. Overall, the shapes are being added together. Add triangle to pentagon. You merge them, it'll be that one. Add to get that. Look at the weird star popping out. Popping out in this way. So the star's got to look like that. Look like that. E is the answer. So far in this video, firstly, thank you for sticking with me up to question 9. I think these two have been the hardest so far. Question 6 was also really difficult. Question 10, it just looks so complex. You have my permission to skip this question if it's just looking so difficult for you. I mean, look how much you have to stare at. However, we are in a YouTube video. I will show you now. The thing that stands out to me is definitely the white square. If we go down, white is in the top left corner, bottom left corner somewhere. Bottom right, then I can't even see it, mate. White, and then it's gone up, and then it's gone that way. So really the white little squares are moving anti-clockwise. If I check the final column to help us, bottom left, bottom right, and then up. So it is anti-clockwise. So here, done, then the little white square has to be bottom left. Yes, 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 no, no. What else is happening? The shapes are changing somehow. Let's look at the top row. That one. And it's kind of halved. And then halved again. So quarter. If I reverse it, quarter. Then I spin it round. Here, half. and then the whole thing. So really it's just the entire shape. I think that's what we're going for, but it's also spinning round. Spin. Why do I say that? Look at the top row. I'll change it in red. That bit, if you spin round, it will be here. Yikes. And then you spin round there, it will be there. Here, spin, spin. Here, spin, and then spin like this. Dun, dun, dun. So part of the shape will be there. No, wait, C looks a bit ugly. So it's either A or B. Look at this bit. Here, spin, there. So there we go. A is the answer. Question 11. Look how ugly that looks like. I mean, what on earth is happening? I checked the mark scheme, got it right, luckily. It's okay, you have my permission to skip this ugly question. 12 looks okay. Right, I'll give you a clue. Look at the dotted line. Here, here, and here. If you just go across each row. Here, here, there. And I'll give you a clue because this is not worth any time. You're going to spin the whole shape clockwise. Spin, spin, and then, oops, let me draw that again. Spin, spin clockwise, and then it will be here. Nope, nope, nope. Then we look at one of the thick lines. Spin, spin, and then it will be difficult. Dun, dun, and then here. Dun. It should go down. Look at the other line. Here, here, and then here. I've drawn it badly. I've drawn it terribly. It's like here. It's up there. C is the answer. Question 12. Let's do a proper question. Go across. What stands out to me? The little dots. Count. Straight away count the dots. 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3. Go down. Find a pattern. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. Going down 1. 3, 2, 1 dot. Cross them off. What's the difference between A and C? When I'm teaching my students, I force them to ask the question, and I think it forces them to get it correct. The outside shape must be considered arrow, arrow, arrow. So 3 of each. This is a grid. Think of it, 3 times 3 equals 9 shapes. Other weird arrow, weird arrow, weird arrow. So here, pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. There we go. So C is the answer. Thank you for watching all the way until the end. I hope you have learned a lot from this non-verbal section. Appearing on the screen, it might be another non-verbal section for you to go to, or another useful video on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. The time is now Tuesday. The time is now 14:05 on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025. It's a nice afternoon right now. Perfect time to shoot a non-verbal video.